Good morning, everyone.
Morning, guys.
Today you join us in Porthmadog in North Wales, and we are going on the Welsh Mountain Railway today.
We are. This is Darrell's treat.
My treat, so we're very much looking forward to it. I've been looking forward to doing this for years, so we're going to find our carriage, because we're in first class.
We are.
So we're going to find our carriage, find our seat, and get settled in for a journey across the Welsh Mountains. Okay, so I'll couple that. So there's two first class carriages. So there's one at the front and one at the back called Snowdonia, and that's where we are.
Yeah.
So we're just going to make the long walk. Of course, we're just going to make the long walk down the train now, past all these second and third classes. But to be fair, they do look lovely. I mean, these are the carriages, so they are gorgeous. And it's a gorgeous day today. So yeah, we're going to make our way all the way down, find our seats, and get comfortable. This is first class, so let's go have a little look. So this is first class. As you can see, this is the observation first class carriage, and it is stunning, absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous in here, isn't it, H?
It is lovely. Let's find our seats.
So we are 5 and 6.
Yes.
So, and we are here. So we're 5 and 6, so these are our seats for the journey. So so this is 6 and 5. So these two. These two here. So
and that's 7.
Oh, so 5 must be this one. No.
1, 3, 7. Yeah.
Yeah, we're sorting it out. So yeah, so this is it. So yeah, we've got amazing view of Porthmadog. And yeah, we're going to get settled, head to doing a bit of posting, always. And so yeah, we're going to get settled in and get ready for the ride. How are you liking your seat, H?
I'm loving my seat. Clear view. It's very comfy.
Very, very comfy. So you each get your table if you're in observation. Yep. So we've got that, which we'll read in a minute. We also got a traveller's guide. So we paid a little bit extra for that. We've also got sandwiches and scones and stuff.
Something like that, yes.
At our first stop, so we'll get those. So yeah, we're really excited about today.
the way up and down these bad trays, so you've got to make sure you've got it.
We've made it to our stop.
Yeah,
We can't pronounce it, so we're going to put it into the, well, it's there on the sign. We can't pronounce it. But yeah, anyway, so we're here. So we're just have a little wander around, see some of the slate piles here. That sounds exciting. Have you found it?
It's been lovely.
It is lovely. It's more my thing than Heather's thing. Sorry, but thank you. Because Heather's bought this as a present for me. So, yeah, so we'll have a little wander around and we're going to pick up our afternoon tea. Then when we go back, we'll be being pulled by the train. So we'll see the train up close.
Yay!
Jumped on to have a little look at what the other carriages look like. So this is the third class and second class. So this is really, really nice, lovely and beautiful. Very spacious, your own table. So yeah, very nice indeed. In TH?
Lovely. It's like cheese and salad.
Nice.
Gluten free.
What else you got?
Little cake. And a scone. Have some cream.
Nice. And then I've got the same. So we've just finished our train journey. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible it was. I just loved it. It was just like, I'm just a big kid at heart. But no, thank you very much. So what we experienced today, so obviously the first class tickets, afternoon tea, everything, it was quite pricey. There are other options. I think what we did was about £160 for both of us. There are other options as well, but I would highly recommend it. It's just been a dream of mine to do. We've been coming up here now for nearly 9 years. I've wanted to do this for ages, so thank you very much. If you get a chance, please do it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, like and subscribe, and we will see you all again very soon. Thank you, bye.